Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button, and in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So I'm making our huevos rancheros. We're frying up our corn tortilla lightly so we can put it in our cast iron skillet. So my first tortilla is nice and crunchy for my huevos rancheros. So I'm putting here the crunch on it. But of course, by the time you put all the liquids of the eggs and the enchilada sauce, it won't be as crunchy anymore. But anyway, I'm putting my refried beans on it, and I'm gonna layer it. I try to feel it to make sure it sounds like it's crunchy, like this. So I'm gonna put enchilada sauce on this one. Here's our vitamin content. So I'm putting my cheese over my refried beans. And this is some cheese I shaved off the block. Some Monterey and Kobe. And now I am going to put some salsa. Now I'm gonna put my sausage. Okay, I want to be careful so I don't pick up any shells. Now, huevos rancheros comes from Mexico. Basically, it's a very hearty breakfast. Again, the key is to not pick up any shells. So generally, I will stick my big thumb inside the shell casing, so that way we don't pick up any shells. So then I'm going to bake these for my enchilada sauce around. And here are a list of ingredients. Here's our huevos rancheros with our wonderful beef kielbasa, our refried beans inside, our queso inside, our corn tortilla inside, and out here we have our eggs, and we have our Mexican crema, as well as our cojita cheese. Delicious. Well, I just scooped out my huevos rancheros, and so let me begin to taste. Definitely taste my refried beans here and tortilla. Definitely a hearty breakfast for sure. It's very good. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug when you do that. That lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.